Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, this week I've got rid of half my birds. As you can see, I've only got these now. I've got the half racing pits in, and I've got the curved tail brown pits in there. I've got the fantail pits in. I've got my fantails, and I've got my curved tails as well, and I've got the feathery feet males, because what I'm wanting to do now is I want to just keep breeding really nice birds now, because over the winter I got so many that it was beginning to be a bit unhealthy for them. So that's why I've got rid of half my birds. I took them down to a auction near where I live, and if they went for a lot, for about like £7–10 each. So yeah, I made some money on them as well. But I kind of get like attached to my birds as well, and I felt like really like a bit upset getting rid of them, because it's when you breed your birds and you like look after them and you see them grow up and all that, you get attached to your birds. Well, I do anyway, and I always want to know what happens to them afterwards. The reason why I've kept that half racing pits in is because it's the only nest mate for bred, so that's a special one, so I'm wanting to breed from it. So hopefully we'll see what happens over the next few months. I'm hoping it'll pair up with this brown one, because it's got a curved tail, and its mother, the half racing pitson mother, is a curved tail. So I'll see if they'll pair up. The other pitsons I got rid of was the grey and white pitson, the other brown curved tail pitson, the brown and white curved tail pitson, what was paired up with the racing pitson. Got rid of them. So yeah, and these are all my birds that I've got left now. It's nicer now because it's not as packed as it was before, and I've got room to just fly about and like hang and I'll show you guys what's going on in back. basically, they're on 2 eggs. I can't remember if they laid it last week or this week, but they're on 2 eggs. Another reason why I kept this male is because he was living with a bunch of wild feral pistons. So when I got him, so I just like to have a story behind my birds. So he's a straight-tailed dove on 2. Again, yeah, her father I got rid of as well, so I've only got her because her mother flew off when I let them out a few weeks ago, and I only had him, so it's for her father, so there was no point having him anymore because he wasn't pairing up with anybody, so I got rid of her father in the bird auction, so I've got her now. She's on 2 eggs. Again, she's on 2 eggs. She's a curved tail. Again, I got rid of her father because he was a single male and he wasn't pairing up, so I got rid of him. But I've kept his offspring, so yeah. But she's on 2 eggs. Then we've got her. She's a curved tail. She's paired up with my other curved tail male, whose father is half fantail, half feral piston. So they've already had young 1 pair of babies. So hopefully we'll get another pair of these. And yeah, nothing in here. So yeah, we've got new nests available. Then round here, the new female piston I put in there escaped and flew off. So what I've done, I've put one of my curved tail doves in with him, and he's paired up with her, and she's on an egg. So I'm so happy that she's laid an egg last night. So I'm very happy that she's paired up with him. Let's see if I can get a best look in. As you can see, she's laid on an egg. She's a first time mother as well, so I'm really chuffed with that. Hopefully she'll lay an egg in the next couple of days. So yeah, all of them sort of trying to pair that racing piston with a white dove. I put one of my white doves in this week, and they're paired up and they've laid in a week. So very soft in the back. So yeah, we've reached the end of the video, folks. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe to my channel. Give my videos a big thumbs up if you like for content. If you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, I'll try my very best to answer them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. More update videos coming soon.